Welcome to the full breakdown of the Standard Chartered Manhattan Platinum Credit Card. If you're thinking about applying for this card or you're just curious about what it offers, you've come to the right place. This video will explain everything, so let's dive in. First off, what does the Standard Chartered Manhattan Platinum offer? This card is popular for its cashback program, which gives you up to 3% cashback on all your grocery and supermarket purchases, dining, and fuel. This makes it a great choice for those who want to earn while spending on everyday essentials. One major advantage is that the card offers exclusive discounts and promotions on dining, shopping, and travel. The discounts can be a great way to save, especially if you frequently dine out or make large purchases. Another feature worth noting is the reward points system. You earn points for every transaction, and these points can be redeemed for vouchers, travel bookings, and more. It's a flexible way to make the most of your purchases. Now, on to the costs. Like most credit cards, this card comes with annual fees. But here is the good part. These fees can often be waived depending on how much you spend within the year. The interest rates are competitive compared to similar cards in the market, so it won't hurt too much if you carry a small balance. However, there are some drawbacks. For example, the cashback cap is limited to a certain amount per month, so you won't keep earning endlessly. Plus, not all transactions are eligible for cashback, so you'll need to be aware of the fine print to get the most value out of it. The services that come with this card are quite comprehensive too. You get concierge services, access to airport lounges, and even complimentary travel insurance, which is a big plus for frequent travelers. So, if you're looking for a card with practical rewards and solid benefits, the Manhattan Platinum is worth considering. But before you go ahead and apply, make sure to read all the fine print and see if the benefits align with your spending habits. That wraps up this overview of the Standard Chartered Manhattan Platinum Credit Card. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video for more honest reviews and financial tips.